Hi, welcome to Shepherd's Fold Ministries. For today, we're going to talk about the topic and the statement, I am active and healthy, and the two responses people can have to that and the difference in their well being as a result of their answers. This is part of a 2019 research project that was conducted by Lifeway Research, commissioned by us at Shepherd's Fold, in which we had the first ever multi denominational research project among retired ministers. And when I say retired ministers, I'm talking about pastors and missionaries and staff or chaplains who are age 67 and older or had official retirement status. So that was the criteria. We measured the spiritual, social, physical, and financial well being of each participant, and then along with that had 161 questions to find out which elements impacted the well-being of retired ministers the most. We needed 500 participants in order to have an academically verifiable study. We had nearly 5 times that amount. In fact, the statisticians said they were getting repeated results to the point where the representative of Lifeway Research, when he sat down with me to explain the research project, said, look, we can't technically use the word absolute certainty when it comes to research project, but we are very, 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 very confident in the results that we received. It was a grant funded $36,000 project. We have 433 pages of results, but I'd like to just look at one element, one statement for which the participants had a yes no response. And that is the statement of this: I am active and healthy. And now we're not defining exactly what that means in terms of weight or what you do. We just made the statement, I am active and healthy, and let people say yes or no. The good news is that 72% chose the word yes. 28% said no, I'm not active and healthy. Well, why is that important? Well, this graph right here, which represents in some ways a dashboard on a car in which things are cool and good at this level, and then red hot danger zone over here. And then I've assigned numbers to these for the well-being scores that we receive for ministers. The average well-being, overall well-being for life, for those who said yes, I'm active and healthy, was right here, right in the middle of the blue section. Very, very healthy in their overall well-being. It just so happens that of those who chose the word no, their well-being averaged to a very high level of danger, in which there was uh, not as strong of an overall well-being. So my contention is this: that if we're able to increase our ability to stay active and healthy, that we will, the research seems to suggest, move down the grid of well-being to a place of stronger, better, more complete overall well-being. How do we do that? With being active and healthy. I'm going to make one suggestion for you today, and that is to play like a kid at recess. One of the things that I've noticed more anecdotally as I've talked to retired ministers or ministers age 65 and older is that some of them have great hobbies, just great interests. Their eyes light up when they talk about it. And maybe it calls for a lot of physical exertion, or maybe it doesn't. But the point is that it's not drudgery to be active. So play like a kid. What is it that is interesting to you that gets you out, up, and moving? And whatever that is, I suggest we do that, and that will help keep the motivation strong for us to participate and be active every single day. Find out whatever it may be for you. Some is jogging, some is swimming, some is it could be anything, any kind of thing that feels like play that you know is promoting an active lifestyle. I encourage you to do that. And my contention is, the more we do that, the more active and healthy we become, the better our overall well-being will be over time.